put it at the highest point, so at least.
I mean, you can get a little under it. If you try and mitigate that, you might hit it with very little power. Sanoka sees his penalty saved, and it's an early advantage for Richards Bay.
Some will say maybe it's not the best taken, but it was to the side and it was low, but the goalkeeper guessed right, and that's what helped. Yes, he could have placed it a little bit wider than that, but the power was lacking more than anything, I think.
In the quarterfinals last year on penalties by Orlando Pirates. Did manage to save the penalty of Ndlondlo in that shootout though, but it wasn't enough. And he's getting nowhere near that. Knox Mutizwa brought on for precisely this purpose. He makes no mistake.
Tell you what he did right there was pick up the ball a little bit higher. Goss chose right, but unfortunately the ball is a lot higher. It's difficult for the goalkeeper to jump any higher once you've taken off. You're going to get real power behind the ball.
Baniti puts them on the board with power, despite the fact that Sotieno got fingertips on that.
You can see the player standing, you can see his mood, and that there's no placement there. That's power. A bullet. That's how you hit a penalty. Yes, sorry.
Cape Town City made a few saves in that game. Zulu is currently credited with Richard Bay's equalizer. Oh, he's made a complete hash of that. Looking to consolidate their advantage, and he has skied it. After 2 kicks apiece, it's 1-1.
That's all I can say. Just at the last minute, the upper body drifts a bit backward, and that's when the contact is made with the ball.
And we spoke about the fact that there's a Dungu, and for the first time, Siwelele have the edge in the shootouts. Richards Bay, though, with the kick to come.
Yeah, well taken. Once again, I think the power is good. Also, the height sends the goalkeeper completely the wrong way. Last minute changes. In step.
Flash to Barnes is denied by Goss. Couldn't sufficiently shake off the anxiety to bury his pen.
That delay, extended delay, that for me suddenly gave me a feeling of like, yes, there's a lot of anxiety out there. Listen, he spins it beautifully, but Goss leaps like a leopard to get a touch to that. And the height, we always say, listen, it's the
smacks of that extra time period where they were 2 goals ahead. Moralo, unerring. It's 3-1. And Richards Bay have no choice but to score their remaining 2 penalties, whilst hoping that Otieno can do better with the next kick he faces.
Quality has gotten way better.
Otieno might not get this right. And game does. They're still alive, but only just.
Only just. Well taken, very calm, showing great experience, very composed.
Otieno has kept it out. It's not over yet.
It's back to square one. It's a fantastic save. Chose his right and a big hand to it. Once the goalkeeper chooses the right side, in fact, it's so close. It's spinning towards the goalkeeper. Not the best of penalties, but the goalkeeper still near
to send this shootout into sudden death. Oh, easy as you like.
Calmly so.
And now the names of those that were not hurriedly scribbled onto the little bit of paper in the huddle prior to the shootout will be called.
It gets harder and harder because you were praying that the players that were chosen first will go on and do the deal. And now, if you were hiding, you're being found out. Are you ready?
Scorer in extra time. The truly is missed.
Now what happens? It means now Richards Bay must still score, isn't it? Yes. It's sudden, but what happens?
Richards Bay must score.
Yes.
What has taken place here, though? There seems to be a little bit of confusion. He's way off his line. Should definitely be a retake. He's left his line for sure. And yet, it won't be. Certainly some controversy. As Otieno rolls it past Ricardo Goss. Oh, what a topsy-turvy tussle this has been. A game in which Siwelele took the lead, so it cancelled out. A game headed into extra time where the Natal Rich Boys